Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to send a picture to any social media platform from your Google Drive without downloading to your internal storage. And also we are on the road to reach 160 subscribers in my channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let us go ahead and get it started. First of all, we need to go into our Google Drive. And go ahead and select on the picture you want to send. I'm going to send ahead this picture. So you can see a multi-dot button over here, 3 dots. So go ahead and click on it. So in the option down, you will see an option called send a copy right here. Go click on it, and now you can send it to any of the options you want here. You can swipe down, or you can edit or send it to WhatsApp or your chats or your feed. So I'm gonna go ahead and send on to my Instagram feed. This is how it will be shown. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this. So we type a caption and click correct here and we post it. So that is how it is made, guys. So that is how you straight away, you don't have to download any of your photos from your Google Drive to your internal storage. You can straight away post it as by giving send a copy to any social media platform. So that is how it is made. And that is all for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Comment below if you have any questions, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so whenever I post a new video you will be notified. So see you guys in the next video. This is Fire Usman signing off. Stay crazy. Peace.